Hi viewers, today we're looking at the Excel VBA percentage rate formula for financial functions in Excel 2013. First of all, I want to record a macro by going to the View tab, clicking on Macros, clicking on the drop down on Macros and clicking on Record, and then I'm going to name this rate underscore FX for function, click on OK, then I'm going to stop recording the macro and click on the Macros button in the View tab. Select the rate function, rate FX, click on edit. I'm going to delete this macro and other macro in there as well. Paste my new macro in. Put an apostrophe on the theory stuff. And I'm left with my rate function, which is named, which is what the macro is named. And you can see I've started the code by saying range G2 dot formula R1C1 equals, which is to say in cell G2 insert the following formula, and you can see after the equals the actual formula name is rate, and with an open bracket within that you've got the first value in the array, which is cell A2, which is the NPER. The second value in the array called cell B2 is the PMT. The third value in the array called cell C2 is the PV, which is the present value. The fourth value in the array is cell D2, which is the future value. The fifth value in the array is cell E2, which is the dual type. And the last value in the array is cell F2, which is the guess, which I've left blank to insert a default value. If I click on File and Close, I can go back to my spreadsheet where you've got from cell A2 you've got the NPR. In cell B2 you've got the PMT value. In cell C2 you've got the present value. In cell D2 you've got the future value. In cell E2 you've got the due. In cell F2 you've got the guess. So these values equate to what's being calculated in the VBA formula. In cell G2 I'm going to insert my rate. So I'm going to click in cell G2, click on the macro button, click on run, and it's inserted my percentage rate. So what I'll do is go to the home tab, and then I'm going to go to the format section, and I'm going to format this as a percentage. So you can see also I can add 2 decimal places in there. You can see the rate here is 8.14 percentage has been calculated. To go back to your macro, your code in the editor, click on the View tab, click on View Macros, and then select your macro name and click on Edit. And that's the rate, percentage rate formula function in Excel VBA for Excel 2013.